So what we got here is a Sidecar fat tire bike. This three-wheeled machine is, this home habitat is the Oregon Country Fair. It likes to take people back and forth from the far parking lots, including the full-size wheelchair fits right in there, along with other flight attendants and passengers. So it's rocking all summer. You can see we put the BBSHD with a little chain ring, so a high torque situation going on. It doesn't need to go fast, it just needs to have a blast. We'll see, we got the headlight. This is a German-made Bushmüller Elux 2, it's a cool one. And you know, right now in the pandemic, we kind of ran out of some of the taillights that we normally have, so this is a new one. We have to wire a switch into it because it doesn't come with one. But hey, that's not a big deal. I'll just hit it under there. And I don't know about you, but I just think this is way cool. So the owner, Gene, took an existing steel frame fat tire bike, a cheap Mongoose, and stretched the frame out. You see here. So I just made that addition and put it out, and then built this whole sidecar rig that comes off. So it bolts on in 3 places, and he did something really smart. And put a sleeve in here, so it's not the bolt that's holding all the force. It's a bushing that's holding the force between the 2 plates, and the bolt just keeps it pinched. There's one there, and then another one down there. These are the oh hell yes handlebars. Grab on when it gets crazy. And I guess that's about it. We had a lot of fun building it, a lot of fun testing it. And I kind of want to make one for myself now, but that's our show and tell. Yeah. Okay.
Goes over everything.
Woo! 2 wheels. So tell me about this bike.
Well, I came up with the idea, and it's actually a whole different idea, but my friend Harry, who built it, convinced me I should take a route that was a little more conventional, like something that we had done before. So we took 2 fat tire bikes, split this one in half, added 8 inches, then put the rear rack on. And then we mounted the fork up on a wheel.
Yeah.
And just kind of had it.
That's the fork that's holding the rear wheel.
That is a fork off of the second bike that I bought. And wheel, fork, brake, wheel, and I got the second bike because I needed 3 wheels. And then we just welded stuff into paint, and Harry came up with the idea of putting the brackets on.
Those are really good brackets.
Yeah, it's really good. So, like I said, I have to credit Harry with the mechanics of it.
We got like 400 pounds of us on this bike.
Oh, there's the little throttle helps.
Oh, the throttle! Whoa!
Oh, the
Whoa!
throttle!
Wait, you forgot to pedal.
Oh, that's impressive.
Yeah. Especially with that little chain ring up there. It's got torque for days.